Hello, dear Philippine community merchants and pioneers. I'm honored to record this video speech for the Philippine Merchant General Assembly in General Santos City today. Thanks to Ms. Numari for inviting me, and thanks to all the organizers and the merchants, hardworking, especially to Mr. Anthony Niera, Mrs. Nana Ablen, and Mr. Marlon Domenti, Mr. Wayne Figueroa, Ms. Miraso Flores, Mr. Jeremy Gaga, Pastor Eamon Conde, Mr. Edibalto Salis, and Isabel Montera for holding today's event. The GCV movement progress made in the Philippines is remarkable, and it's all thanks to all Philippine GCV community hard work. With over 1.2 million GCV data created, it's truly a testament to your unity, vision, and dedication. Ms. Numari's perseverance, dedication, and leadership has been instrumental in this success. Her focus on education and the GCV ecosystem development, along with her immediate action on all goals, has set a good example for the entire GCV community. Effective leadership is crucial for all the cores include Pi Network, social as a social practice. We are seeing significant progress in our ecosystem development and education with all GCV ambassadors' excellent leadership. Pi Network's business partnership and influencer program make our GCV ecosystem development and education initiatives official and recognized. Core team's confidence in the year-end Open Mainnet comes from the successful creation of our GCV data aligning with the long-term strategy and the mission of Pi Network. Core team is currently preparing for Open Mainnet and for post-Open Mainnet phase. GCV core team and the Pi Network core team are collaborating effectively towards the shared objective. It is heartening to witness the convening of the General Merchant Assembly today and establishment of GCV Merchant Association in Philippines. I just saw the association officer's name and your designated position. Ms. Numari submitted. The well-organized structure of the association reflects outstanding collaboration and leadership from Ms. Numari and all officers. These concerted efforts are not only aimed at Open Mainnet, but also at establishing a production chain to facilitate the swift migration of Pi to the wallet of all Philippine pioneers. Furthermore, this endeavor will enable the Philippine economy to leverage Pi Network technology and its extensive user base soon. The Philippines' efforts are a great example for all our global GCV community. Our partial Pi and partial fiat currency strategy is designed to attract more business to join without a cash flow issue while still creating GCV data during the enclosed mainnet. Therefore, I believe all business will be very happy to join GCV Barter because it will help a lot of local merchants to expand their business. We are working towards full Pi payment for business when Open Mainnet. The current partial Pi payment is a vehicle for full Pi payment at GCV when Open Mainnet. I encourage our education and ecosystem development GCV ambassador to collaborate closely to increase participation and strengthening confidence in the Pi Network and GCV. Dear Philippine community leaders, merchants, and pioneers, let's keep on collaborating with the core team to ensure the success of the Pi Network. By the year end, we have set up our year-end goal on December 12, 2024. Through our combined efforts, we can establish Pi as a super sovereignty currency in the long term, ushering a new era of cryptocurrency and prosperity for the world. I wish today's assembly a big success and thank you for all your hard work and your selfless contribution. Doris in from Toronto, Canada, October 6, 2024. Thank you. Have a nice day.